Hi everyone, hope you are safe and sound. In today's video I will show you, how can you make Microsoft Excel speak. Open Microsoft Excel from Start menu. Here I will select blank workbook. You can also open saved ones. It is a blank workbook, so I will type something here. Now at the top near the redo button, click this sign and go down to More Commands. We will add some commands, so here select commands not in the ribbon. Now simply press the S key, it will take you to the commands starting with S and scroll down. Add Speak Cells command by clicking the Add button and Add Stop button too, it will stop speaking cells whenever you want. Now select the area and click Speak Cell button.
Roll number. Marks. 1. 98. 2. 96. 3. 95. 4.
If you don't want it anymore, you can remove it easily. Select one by one and click Remove. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this trick. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more useful updates, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to see me cover any other topics on this channel, leave a comment below. See you in next video, bye.